Hello guys, Nolam here, and today I want to showcase you guys a save that I made. It's called the Telekinesis Melon. Massive credits to SW Studios. He's what inspired me, and you should definitely check out his saves. It looks like a normal melon, but as you can see, he can both push and pull livings. It's really simple to use. Put his hand in a pulling position. I suggest freezing his lower half because it looks better like that. Then you just activate and boom, Melon pulls other livings to his hand. But don't forget the push ability. It's basically the same, just position the hand and press the button.
Sightseeing time.